How to fix failed to login invalid session. Try restarting your game error on Minecraft. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix failed to login invalid session. Try restarting your game error on your Minecraft. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is just go to your search bar and search for view network. So search for view network connections, and after you find that setting, open it up. Now this is your control panel, and after you're here, simply choose the network that you're connected to. After you choose the network that you're connected to, head over to its properties. After you head over to its properties, there you will see this connection uses the following item section, where you need to scroll down, and there you will see Internet Protocol version 4. Just double tap on it and this should open up right here. Now under here, select use the following DNS server, and right here you can use server 1111, and for the next one you can use 1, 0, 0 and 1. After that, tap on OK. I'll just cancel this for now since I don't have the problem, and tap on OK. After you do that, you can close this up and your problem should get fixed. If this does not fix your problem, open up your CMD, that is your control panel, or command prompt. My bad, it's not control panel, but command prompt. And after you're here, simply type in ipconfig, give a slash, and just type in flush DNS. Hit enter, and this will flush your DNS, and your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.